Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing options quickly. Write down the top 3 traits you care about and pick 3 candidates that match. Once done, run short 15-30-minute sessions with each candidate to feel their flow. Make sure to test core actions, mobility, and resource management. Do not overthink cosmetics yet. You want immediate impressions and basic performance data. Note initial likes and dislikes as you play. These notes guide the next, more detailed testing phase. Now you deepen the test. Run 5 focused sessions per candidate, tracking consistency, ease of learning, and how satisfying peak play feels. Once done, compare numbers and feelings side by side. Use simple tallies or a 1-10 scale to avoid analysis paralysis. Make sure to try small variations, different builds or roles, to check adaptability. If a candidate performs well across metrics and still feels fun, it moves ahead. This structured comparison reveals which option survives real use. You finalize by committing to the candidate that blends fun and consistency, and then invest 20-50 hours to solidify skill. Once committed, optimize. Prioritize core skills, refine gear or priorities, and use targeted drills. Make sure to review progress every 10 hours and adjust small things rather than switching mains too quickly. If things go wrong, try one troubleshooting move. Change a single element, build, role, or timing, and retest for 5 sessions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.